Welcome to a Diamond Boy Elevators URBEX tour. Today we're going to be doing an URBEX tour of an office building, Bob Evans corporate, I believe. There's some offices and a Bob Evans test kitchen in this building. This building is still in the process of being built, as you can see, but I have permission to take an URBEX tour. So let's go inside. Thank you. As you can see, this is what's going on right now. They are having an elevator put in here. Otis Elevators is doing this project. The elevators are not installed yet, but we're going to go ahead and take a look in the shaft in a little bit. But right now, here's more of what's going on. This is a high voltage room. This is the electrical panels that they're doing in here. And I wonder if the elevators, if this is where the elevators room is going to be. I guarantee 100% that's the fire alarm box right there. Alright. We're going to go ahead and look. Here's some more steps. And a random fan that nobody turned off. And these right here are the shafts. A shaft. As you can see, this is going to be an Otis hydraulic. You probably can't see it, but there's a cable right there. They're doing some work on it. And this is one of the machines, I think. Right here. And I guarantee 100% these are the guide rails right here. This might be the front of the building right here. Oh, really? Are you serious? Yeah, they have a little cleaning up to do because, they didn't clean up too much. As you can see, there's a half-empty water bottle and an empty 7-Up bottle. But yeah, this is what's going on in here. Someone forgot to turn the fan off. We're gonna take a look over here. This is more of the room. Look at all these boxes they have. Man, that fan's up. Here's another room. Now we can get a really good look in the shaft here. That right there's the safety governor, I believe. And let's get a look in the pit. It's very clean. Unfortunately, we can't go too far because we have a barrier right here. And another half-drink water bottle that nobody threw away. I bet we can get another nice shot from the top floor, I believe. This is the control panel right here. It's not, like I said, this elevator's not fully set up yet. But once we do, we're going to get a ride, hopefully, once this building is finished. Look at this. Alright, and now we're gonna go look around here. This is all the equipment right here that has to go in the elevator. Look at this. This is the installation day. This is going to be a really nice building. I wonder what it's going to be like when it's all done. Here's more of the equipment. Hope Otis does a good job on this. Yeah, I don't think that can come off. Maybe we can. Hopefully. Yeah, that's the top of the shaft here. I wonder if that's what the cable hooks onto. Maybe. That right over there, you can see that's the motor that they're going to put in. And this is the control panel right here. I wonder where the safety governor is. Alright. Now I'm going to safely not trip over this bar. And I'm going to put it back on. And I'll fix it later. Alright. Look at these walls. Let's get a view out here really quick. This is a view into New Albany. It's an almost sunny day out here. Hopefully once I have the elevator installed, we'll take a ride on it. Alright, let's go take a more look around the building. Here's another room. This must be the bathroom area right here. Yeah, this is the bathroom. For all of you toilet enthusiasts, these are where the toilets are going to go. I have no idea what bathroom I just walked into. Might be the girls, might be the boys. I have no idea. But like I said, this place is not built yet, so we'll go ahead and take a look in both bathrooms. No sinks yet. No toilets yet either. This might be a shower. Yeah, this is what a shower looks like. A business shower. Alright, now we'll go back out. And I think I might have just lost my tour guide. I'll find him later. Let's go take a look around the building some more. Wow. Look at this fob key. I wonder what this is going to go to. There's no doors or anything up here yet. It's just a random fob key. And in this room, we were treated a nice view to a big can of Monster, which is empty, and an empty water bottle. Wow. They really need to clean up. I mean, they do a good job at building, but they need to clean up desperately. Alright. Hey, Curtis. Want to go check out the second floor?
Yeah.
Alright. Now we're going to go up to the second floor. And I can use my flashlight. It's a nice big wall. Careful. Careful with the ladder here. This is what the second floor looks like. As you can see, they already have the carpet in here. This is, I'm guessing, one of the executive offices right here. Oh, you gotta be joking. McDonald's. Wow. Let's get a look into some more executive office. Do they even have the glass up? No, they don't. This is what the executive looks like. More random fob keys. There. I wonder how they got that up here without the elevators. This must be like a canteen or something. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Box of cigarettes. Sheesh. This is another electrical room. We're not going to go in it because it's high voltage. Yes, they do have the electric on. As you can see right here. That's the roof access. And more interesting elevator views. That's where downstairs is. There's some more bathrooms. Well, let's look further down the hall. There's some more trash cans. This might be a canteen, or lunchroom, however you want to say it. Look at this room. This is definitely going to be a neat lunchroom. This goes outside. Look at that. We'll get a look down this hallway, and then that'll be it for today. And look at this hallway. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining me on the Diamond Elevators URBEX tour of the Bob Evans corporate house, where there's going to be a kitchen where they test out new products and stuff. See ya.